In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PDFs to my Mailerlite campaign. By the end, you'll have a clickable button in your email that takes subscribers straight to your PDF, hosted on Google Drive, so they can view or download it without any hassle. Start on your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're in, head to the campaign section. This is where all your email campaigns live, including drafts you're still working on. Open the campaign you want to update by choosing it and selecting Edit. That takes you into the campaign settings. From there, move into the content of the email by choosing Edit Content. This opens the drag and drop editor where you'll add the link to your PDF. On the left sidebar, look for the Elements or Blocks panel. Find the button element, then drag and drop it into your email where you want readers to notice it, near the top for visibility, or just after you introduce the resource so the action feels natural. After it lands in your layout, click the new button to open its settings. Now it's time to connect the button to your PDF. In the button settings, click the link icon to add a URL. When the link field appears, choose Insert Link and paste your Google Drive PDF link right there. If you haven't prepared the link yet, upload your PDF to Google Drive first, open the Files Share options and copy the shareable link. Make sure the permissions allow anyone with the link to view the file, so your subscribers aren't blocked by access requests. A clear button label helps here, something like Download the PDF or Get the Guide, so readers know exactly what they'll get when they click. With the link in place, confirm everything by selecting Save Settings. This locks in your button's link and ensures your changes are stored. At this point, your campaign contains a working button that points to your Google Drive PDF. When subscribers receive your email, clicking the button will take them directly to the document. That's the full process. Open your campaign, edit the content, drag in a button, attach your Google Drive link through the link icon, and save your settings. Keep your link permissions set correctly, give your button clear wording, and place it where it's easy to see. Follow those tips and your PDF will be just one click away for every reader.